guys! This is my tutorial for a candy cane snowflake hot chocolate mug tumbler. I've already sanded and prepped my tumbler using an 80 grit sanding block and Krylon spray paint and gloss red pepper. But as soon as I spray painted the tumbler, I changed my design. At first, I was gonna do red snowflakes, but then I was like, nah. So I repainted my mug white, but I decided to keep my handle red. We'll be doing something really cute with it later. Now we're ready. After I let my paint dry, I was ready to apply my glitters, starting with the handle first. As always, I'm using the epoxy method, but you can of course use whatever method you like to add your glitter. This way is just my favorite. While you're applying your glitter, if your red glitter gets in your blue/pink or your blue/pink gets in your red, no worries. By the time we're done, you won't even notice. Because I'm using fast set, I immediately pull my tape after glittering. Let your glitter layer cure, seal with Krylon triple thick, and then we'll be ready to add some extra sparkle in our first epoxy layer. I've already added about 10 to 12 milliliters of epoxy to my mug. Now I'm mixing in Matador and Snow White into the leftover epoxy. Adding depth to this layer is totally up to you. You can totally skip this step if you like. Let this layer cure, add one more layer of epoxy to make sure your tumbler is nice and smooth, then we'll be ready to add our stencils. For the peekaboo portion, I decided not to do any outline, so I'm just cutting out snowflakes for the stencils. I eyeballed the size, you guys. I just wanted to have some big snowflakes and some smaller ones. adding your stencils, keep in mind you don't want to place any snowflakes that will coincide or overlap with your design. The decals we're using are clear, so the spot underneath needs to remain open. For this next step, you can totally skip it, but I thought I would add some stripes to the handle. I thought making the handle have the look of a candy cane would be super adorable, and the red and white will look so cute next to the teal and white colors that we'll be using for the mug itself. I sealed my painted layer with Quick Coat from CC DIY to make sure I don't get any dimples. And now we're ready to add some more sparkle. We'll be adding some extra glitter to the main part of the mug and some mica powders to our handle. You don't have to, but come on fam, get your sparkle on. Received these decals from Midlands Vinyl for my honest review, and I gotta say, I love them. So many cute designs and styles are available on their website, and hallelujah, no sealing necessary, because I'm still saving for a laser printer. Now, they are a bit stiffer than water slides, so you may have some trouble on a curved surface, but on a straight tumbler like these mugs, you're good. Now, let's make our drips. I'm currently mixing 30 milliliters of Counterculture DIY medium viscosity and will gradually add in the epoxy additive nice and thick until I get the consistency that I want. To test out the drip, do a test drip on the side of the cup and watch for movement. If it moves a lot, add more nice and thick. After adding in the mica powder, the consistency and look reminds me of brownie batter. When you have the consistency that you want, take your drips and add them to the sides and handle. I don't manipulate the drips much, gravity does most of the work for me. For the sprinkles, I found these super cute gingerbread man mix on Etsy. They were perfect except for the gingerbread men, so I plucked them out and was left with the snowflakes, candy canes, and red and white bits. Now, I thought I was done, but then I remembered I had these cute faux marshmallows that I bought to use in a whipped cream topper thingy, but never got around to it. So I took off some sprinkles and added them, and I love it. When you're all done, set your tumbler off to the side where it won't be disturbed and let your drips cure. Don't put it back on your turner or you won't get the drippy drips that we're looking for. Okay, I can't decide. Medium drip, long drip. I love them both, but I think I'm leaning towards the medium drip. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. let cure, and you'll be all done. That's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching my tutorial. Have fun making your candy cane snowflake hot chocolate mug tumblers, and I'll see you again next time. Bye!